This absolute masterpiece is the Tudor Black Bay 54, and it is the latest addition to the Black Bay collection, which was launched in 2012 and has since expanded to include various models, sizes, and colors. The watch I got here cost around $3,000, depending on the model and the market. But what good about it? What bad about it? And is it worth the investment? Let's find out. The Tudor Black Bay 54 is a modern reinterpretation of the Tudor Submariner from 1954, which was the brand's first dive watch. It has a sleek and elegant design that combines vintage and modern elements. It pays tribute to the heritage of Tudor dive watches, but also offers a contemporary and refined look. It has a smooth and thin case that is comfortable on the wrist, and a sunburst dial that catches the light beautifully. So what's good about it? It has a 37mm stainless steel case that is thin and comfortable on the wrist, a domed sapphire crystal that adds depth and charm, and a smooth 60-click unidirectional bezel that is easy to operate. It also has a simple and legible dial with applied hour markers, snowflake hands. The watch is available with a steel bracelet or a rubber strap. The sunburst dial has a fantastic finish that adds a touch of luxury to the watch, as do the case surfaces, alternating between matte and polished. The Tudor Black Bay 54 is a robust and reliable watch that offers 200 meters of water resistance, a screw-down crown, and a luminous pip at 12 o'clock on the bezel. It is powered by the Tudor Caliber MD5400, which is a COSC-certified and METAS-tested movement that boasts a 70-hour power reserve, a silicon balance spring, and a variable inertia balance. The movement is also anti-magnetic and shock resistant, and it can be adjusted to 6 positions for enhanced accuracy. Another noteworthy feature is the new T-Fit clasp, which is great for adjusting the bracelet by a few centimeters without needing to take out the toolbox. But what's bad about it? One drawback is that the quick adjustment for the T-Fit buckle is a bit inaccurate. It's nowhere near as easy to operate as the quick adjustment system on the Rolex Submariner, and seems like something that wasn't thought all the way through. Also, the Tudor Black Bay 54 may be too small or too simple for some people who prefer larger or more complex watches. It may also be too similar or too derivative of other Tudor or Rolex models, such as the Black Bay 58 or the Submariner, and lack originality or identity. So is it worth the investment? Well, it's an absolute masterpiece that's versatile and affordable. So yes, the watch actually worth all the money. In fact, I think it's a better alternative to the Rolex Submariner. The Tudor Black Bay 54 isn't perfect, but the watch that offers a lot of value and quality for its price, which is around $3,000. And can suit different occasions, styles, and preferences. It can be worn casually or formally, with a sporty or a refined look, and with a variety of strap options. It is also a watch that appeals to both men and women, as well as to anyone who is even slightly interested in vintage and modern diving watches. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, and also let me know of other review videos you would like me to do in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notification on.